How to change loadout in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can equip different loadouts. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see the option called Heroes. Simply tap on Heroes. So this is the place where you can select different characters and heroes. Here I'm tapping on one. Now here on the right top, you can see this battle-like icon. Simply tap on this battle-like icon and select loadout. So this is the place where you can customize and make different loadouts. So here there are different equipments that are available, and here you can even change the lanes. So you can change and even customize it according to your own. Here on the bottom you can even recommend it and it will be all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.